Hey, what's up guys? How2Toby here, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to start using one of these things, a hoverboard, to be able to get on safely, which is what we're going to focus on for today's video. Let's get on with the instructions. Luckily, you only need to know one thing, as this is only a part of hoverboarding. Let's get on with that one instruction. Number 1, getting on. Get on, you need to place a foot, whichever one you like, on one of the pads like this. Then, making sure you're balanced, slowly bring the other foot onto the other pad. Now you have mounted your hoverboard. If you're nervous, you can always have one or two adults or friends to help you when you're getting on. I will also show you how to jump onto your hoverboard. First, make sure you are parallel to the hoverboard. Then, jump. But don't get onto the hoverboard as your body needs to know how high to jump. Then have a go for real. And remember, you can always have adults or friends to help you. So this is bye for now. See you next week. I'm out.